So let's draw a picture of this. Go 3.6 in this direction, 4.7 in this direction. There's our rectangular base. And then I'll try to go right from the center here. It does tell us its actual height is 6.9. And then we'll just connect them. So at this point, you can choose whether you want to say 1/3 length times width times height, or 1/3 area of base times height. Yeah. It would be if you went halfway between the 3 points, like the 1.8, and drew a line across this way, and you went halfway between the 4 and the 4.7, which would be 2.35, and drew a line straight across that way. That's where that center would be. For, like, to figure out the slant height, you would, if we were doing this as a surface area question and you needed the slant height, right, then you'd have to do two separate ones. And we did a question like that yesterday when we opened the net and there was the two different triangles. We had to figure out two different slant heights. Now, for this question, the volume is going to be 1/3 because it's pyramid, length times width times height, and the height is the height. So we don't even have to worry about finding any slant heights here. So again, one of the key things, whether it's surface area or volume, is do we have the right height or don't we? And if we have the right height, in this case, this question's just a matter of the length being, doesn't matter which number you choose. And you just multiply all those together. Someone have an answer already? $116.74. So if it's to the nearest tenth, 0.7 would be enough meters cubed. And if you would rather do area of the base times the height, that would replace this, right? And the length times width is the area of the base. So you can do either. For any of them. Well, if you have a triangle, then you can't use length times width. So a lot of people say, I always like to use area of base times height because that works for any shape. The length times width only works for rectangles and squares. But that is just an area of the base anyways.